ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video, since the price was within this move, we mentioned we want to see whether we can get the correction similar to what we have here for continuation, because we mentioned we can look for trade in the two ways. Either we put our entry above the top if we get any correction, or we wait for the deeper correction. All right, that's why I mentioned if we want to look for trade, the only way is to put our entry above the top. And we mentioned we cannot buy within this down move in case the price continue and drop. This is the reasons as what we can see here. All right. Now we want to see what's the next, because we are looking if the price can consolidate here for longer time. If we get a deeper move, deeper correction, then any trade setup, it can give us better confirmation for buy. Okay. First things we need to know, as I mentioned, we need to get the trade setup. Without the trade setup, we cannot look for buy, because we don't have good confirmation for the reversal. That's mean to look for buy. Okay, now how we can look for trade? The best things is the first we talk, if we get the more complex correction, at least we get one more drop, 3 waves extra flat. All right, and if we get any 3 wave flat, that's mean if we get one more drop either from here or even the price move a bit higher, if we get and one more drop, any reversal with a sharp move flag, we can look for buy. That's mean we get the trade within the correction. Okay, and if the price drop, how deep we can expect before we get the reversal? I'm expecting as long as the price haven't break 1830, then any reversal I will take the trade if we get one more drop. All right, and the another option is, how about if the price continue from here? Based on what we have right now, still we can put our entry above the top. And if I see the price give me a flag or correction here, another 3 to 4 hours, then we can put our entry above this correction here. We can adjust it, move from there and put it there above this correction, somewhere around 2K. Okay, but right now I won't suggest to put our entry here, because the best thing is if we wait another 2 to 3 hours, because if I move to 15 minutes, what I see here is forming the flag. Okay, it doesn't mean right now we cannot put our entry above here. Still we can do that, but the best thing is if this one turns to a deeper move, it can give us better confirmation for continuation. Okay, that's mean from what we have right now is optional. Either we put our entry above that desktop. Let me change this one. Or if we move to 15 minutes, we put our entry somewhere around 2K. Okay, now this is the only way we can look for trade. Put our entry somewhere between 2K and 2055. Maybe with this one we make it 2055. And what we want in case the price sharply continue from here as a sharp move similar to what we have here. This is the only way we can look for trade. And the best things is if we get one more drop. And if the price tag any of this, that means enter this zone. If the price tag over entry we see is not moving within the sharp move, we are not going to keep the trade more than 2 hours. This is the only way we can look for trade, and we should know that simply the price can tag and drop. If the price tag, that's why we should know how risky is that. That's why I prefer this one turn to a deeper move, at least give us a flag. Then we put our entry above the top. That's why still I prefer to put my entry around 2055. Okay, rather than that, we don't have any other option to look for trade, because as I mentioned, we don't see really good confirmation for the reversal. But any trade for buy, we will take the trade. Okay, the reason is if the price start the up move, in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us a really good trade. And right now the only thing is the best option is if we get one more drop without the breakout of 18030, then any reversal from there we get the best. This is the best option, because at least we see the flat. But if the price continue from here, we can put our entry within this zone. Okay, as I explained. Anyway, we just follow the chart. This is the only way we can look for trade. And even if we get the trade, we need to see the breakout of 2.1K, 2100. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.